Hey guys, I'm Rob. This is Little Man Cave on the Prairie, and today we're going to fix some heater controls. We're going to repaint some Steelies.
And today we're back at the buggy.
Today we are switching over the 31 from the donor white tractor. We are going to be going out and just running my back trail for a little bit. Hey guys, today we're going to go over what exactly I had to do for a dovetail for the front and a dovetail for the rear. We're gonna get at that donut gasket in the front of the forward door here today. Well, today we're gonna have a tinker weekend, and today we're gonna talk about camber.
We are doing a head gasket and a timing belt.
And today we're talking about new tires for the buggy.
We're at Mountain Shadows Campground.
So guys, that was my whipsaw adventure. What's the biggest tire can you fit on a tracker? We are going to talk about shocks after the lift. Where do I find parts for these things? We found a 4.3 to stuff into that buggy. We're back on the trail. We're stuck.
We're drinking a fuel filter today.
And today we're going to be finishing up the head gasket and the timing belt.
32s. On a tracker with a 2-inch lift. Okay, so today we are going to get at the front of the lift. The rear view mirror that I smashed off last time. Today we're going wheeling out on my back trail.
And today I'm going to show you my new ride.
And today we are going to talk about getting 33s onto a tracker. Today is finally here. It's time to work on the buggy. Today we're doing a starter on the tracker. And today we're on an adventure in BC. And it looks like today I had to get my old Chevy out because I got to go rescue the tracker on the trail. Today we're going to welcome my new co-pilot. What are you doing?